But football and Pidgin. After match talk, how you say Red Bull Salzburg won and Chelsea too. And we get Oga Austin, maybe you don't get Chelsea fan, make come tell us about how you see this game. Oga Austin, now how you see Chelsea performance for inside this match?
We get a good performance for this game. For the first half, we get good performance. Enter the second half, but as we make changes, put Loftus-Cheek comot Kovacic. Kovacic wey be like say na be our midfield engine for the now. Our midfield just collapse. We come dey get more pressure against us.
So, but for this performance today, which Chelsea player you think say try pass the Chelsea player where you go say okay now this one now be my man of the match for today's performance?
For me, na Thiago Silva I be my man of the match. The performance dey very okay. He defend for us well. We no concede pass that one goal. And the goal not be side e come from. So na my man of the match na Thiago Silva.
So, but you as a Chelsea fan now, we dey see how Chelsea come dey perform for the Champions League. The performance don improve, unlike the way they take start with Thomas Tuchel before. But you as a Chelsea fan, you don qualify to the next round. Wetin be your expectation for this UEFA Champions League this season?
My expectation na for we to qualify again and go quarter final. From there we see what next. But for now, thank God say we fit qualify.
Go round of 16.
Go round of 16 years. Because people dey feel say we no go qualify. But at the end we qualify and we dey try for the Champions League. So I believe say we go even go quarter final with wetin we dey play.
So, but I wan ask you about Chelsea attack because some of the Chelsea fans wey don come for the interview dey complain say the team suppose score more goals pass the number of goals wey they score for today match. If you wan look the chances wey the team get, wetin you get to talk about Chelsea attack so far this season?
Chelsea attack with Aubameyang, e dey poor. Although say he don get about 4 goals or 3 goals, so e dey poor. Left for me, I go say make dem dey start that Broja. The boy na still young blood, and the few matches wey dey start am, e dey agile, e wan impress. So make dem dey start am. And Aubameyang na one kind striker wey be like say before he go convert one, he don miss like 3 or 2. We see am for Arsenal, he do am like that. So make dem dey give that Broja chance for some time.
So, make I ask you now, we get about 24 days before the World Cup for Qatar. You as a football fan, now which countries think say be the favourite to win the World Cup?
For me, the favourite na Brazil I see. That be my favourite.
Why Brazil? Why you think say na Brazil be your favourite?
They get good players now. If you see they get good wingers. Their defence dey okay. I no too dey sure for their midfield, but that their attack and defence dey very very okay. So I believe say they go do well.
We get many star players wey dey go the World Cup now. Players like Kylian Mbappe, players like Antoine Griezmann. We dey see say Harry Kane too go still go for England. Different top strikers, different star players. But you as a football fan, now which player now you think say go fit win the top scorer for the World Cup for Qatar?
That was a very hard question. For me, Mbappe, France get midfield problem. But for me, I never see anyone. Man, no go talk this. I never see anyone.
But which player now for the young players wey you dey see, we don't think we dey see this season, where you dey think say make we dey watch out for everyone for the World Cup? Young player for any club, he must not be Chelsea player.
Young player.
Young player.
Mbappe na still young player.
Mbappe no, Mbappe don turn
But
superstar now.
okay, now we are only look this boy for Madrid wey dey Brazil. Wetin be name?
Rodrigo.
No.
Vinicius.
Vinicius, that boy na very good player. So more watch out for her for the World Cup.
All right now, Oga Austin, thank you for your time.